you guys are all doing good today. Right by the LAX sign here. One of the many LAX signs they have here.
Los Angeles Ground SkyWest 4814 requesting the end of pushback. SkyWest 4814
plane spot, and here we go.
Pushback received. Delta Tree 81 Heavy, you are not cleared to take off.
I think we have a plane taking off to our right side here.
Los Angeles Ground Delta Tree 11 requesting the end of pushback. Delta Tree 11 request to end pushback received.
SoCal approach Delta Tree 81 Heavy is type 1 miles southeast of Los Angeles, 300 feet. Request clearance to transition Bravo airspace.
Delta Tree 81 Heavy SoCal approach. Squawk 5501.
Right, so we're going to head over towards the In-N-Out Burger.
Squawk 5501 Delta Tree 81
Could do
Heavy.
some better spotting. Got some big United
Delta
birds
Tree
below us
81
here.
Heavy radar contact 1 mile east of Los
FedEx.
Angeles, 400 feet.
Here's the H
Cleared to the
Hotel.
Bravo airspace.
Wow, look at that. I've stayed there so many times, everybody.
Cleared
Crazy
to
to
the
see
Bravo
that on here.
airspace Delta Tree 81
This is
Heavy.
so realistic. Literally.
Delta 77
Oh,
Tree
here
Heavy
comes all of our
descent to maintain
Southwest.
6,000 feet.
Here are our Southwest and Delta planes. Hopefully we have some bigger ones landing 2-4 right soon.
Descend and maintain 6,000 feet Delta
Okay, hold on,
77
everybody.
Tree Heavy.
We are going to... I'm gonna just hover here for a second. Oh, the new Delta terminal is coming. Really loud, so we're just gonna watch from here. Just bear with me, everybody. Give you guys the best possible views possible.
Delta 77 Tree Heavy descent and
Lot
maintain
going
5,000 feet.
We have a lot going on
SoCal
here.
departure southwest 2318 is passing 1,000
I think
feet,
the
climbing
best thing that we
12,000
can
feet.
do
Southwest
is just
2318
perch up right
SoCal
here
departure altimeter
and hover.
29.92.
And,
Continue to
watch
Echo
all the
Hotel
airplanes come
Foxtrot
in.
as planned.
Bear with me here.
Descend and maintain 5,000 feet Delta 77 Tree Heavy.
We're gonna get into position here where we can get the best possible views of all the airplanes coming in. Just right off to the right side here should be hopefully one of the best spots. Hold on here.
Delta 77 Tree Heavy descent and maintain 4,000 feet.
Alright, level it off here.
Descend and maintain 4,000 feet Delta 77 Tree Heavy.
Alright, just right about here. This should be good. We're gonna get it just perfect. Or level it off. Where we don't really have to touch anything. There we go. A little bit windy here. I'm gonna try and move this over. You guys can see good. It is a little bit loud outside, so we're gonna watch from in here.
Delta 77 Tree Heavy, you are 17 miles east of Los Angeles.
We should have some planes
Contact
coming
Los
in
Angeles Tower on 120.905,
on
20
2-4
inbound.
right. We're gonna get down a little bit here. This way you guys can see.
Tower on 120.905 Delta
little bit
77
better.
Tree Heavy.
Turn this for you. Look at that, everybody. Live traffic. Flight Simulator 2020. We'll follow this plane for you guys. There we go. Then we got a 767 off to our left that is parked. That's pretty awesome. Now we're gonna bank off to our right here. See what else we can find. Something big should be coming in here soon, hopefully. Oh, I think I see something big coming in, everybody. We'll just stay tuned. I mean, I don't know if it's big or not, but it's definitely a plane. Something's coming in. I don't know, they seem to like abort, go around a lot, so we'll see what we got coming in here. Okay, we got a Delta plane. Delta A321 looks like. Who knows, it could get like really busy here, so we're gonna rotate toward the right here. Yep, he just landed. I think we're gonna head over this way. Show you guys the T-bit. See what's going down. Usually gotta let it run for a little while so you can at least, like, you know, see it. Get more aircraft going, you know. Oh wow, look at this. This is crazy. I also run LAX model airport. Scale 1/400 airport. This is crazy to see this thing in person. Well, I mean, the simulation, but still. We got Emirates, Finnair. Everybody's here. Korean Air. It's pretty loud out there, so we're gonna stay in that. We're gonna stay in here for now. Legion just below us here. We got American, Spirit. Oh, what do we got over here? Be a while before we get any bigger planes, but there should be a lot coming in. There always is. Oh, there, one just landed. Here we go. Kind of got to get away from like it for a little bit, then come back, and then you'll see more planes start to kind of come in, or maybe kind of spawn. There you go, guys. That's 767 waiting to push back there. I don't know where it's going, but probably like Tahiti or LAX or JFK. Oh, JK, we're LAX. Yeah, I don't know if we got anything too crazy coming in. We could check the flight radar. But there's always something big coming in, like I said. Couple wind gusts here. Let's go over by In-N-Out. Not really much coming in yet. Burger here. That's a prime location. Oh, here comes one. Right at us. A lot of Deltas for some reason.
SoCal departure SkyWest 4814 is at 900 feet, climbing 10,000 feet.
Oh, Delta 767. Look at that. That's crazy. Let's get back over this way.
Going to 125.8 southwest, 2318.
Actually, that's a great spot to get it at In-N-Out Burger. If we go over here, we can get a better view of it. Come on, maybe. Oh, Alaska just landed. Alright, it's picking up. It's picking up. Yeah, I don't really like the other 2-5 right runways. 2-4 left, I think, is the best in my opinion. 2-4 right. This is where you get the best views. You got In-N-Out. They don't have In-N-Out over there. Right. We want to get that prime location here.
full right approach. The LIVDN transition. Cleared to LIVDN Delta 773 Heavy.
Comes one.
Delta 773 Heavy traffic is 10 o'clock 4 miles at 700 feet. Report them in sight.
Hopefully we can get some awesome shots.
Delta 773 Heavy have the in sight.
Get some awesome shots of our planes coming in here. Yep, a little bit gusty here. Now we got that perfect spot. We can watch all the planes come in. Got Southwest. Oh, guys, we got an A380 taking off. We have an A380 taking off here. Alright, we are going to move to the left just a little bit so we can get a good shot of all the planes here. Right. Oh, level it off here.
SoCal approach Bombardier November for 11 Foxtrot X-ray is passing 10,900 feet, descending 8,000 feet. Bombardier November for 11 Foxtrot X-ray SoCal approach altimeter 29.9 continue to be REA as planned.
Got the mighty A380 taxiing down the runway here.
Bombardier 1 Foxtrot X-ray descent and maintain 7,000 feet.
Guys, I'm getting the same thrill as if I'm like there in real life. Like, this is insane.
Descend and maintain 7,000 feet. Bombardier 1 Foxtrot X-ray.
Mighty A380. Look at that. Now let's get over here and see if we have anything coming in. Oh, there we go. United made it in.
SoCal departure United 1
Got Delta taking off.
passing 800 feet.
Right
climbing
below us
9,000
here.
feet. Bombardier 1 Foxtrot X-ray descent and maintain 6,000
Oh
feet.
my lord, guys, look at that.
United 1
Look at this
SoCal
picture here.
departure altimeter 29.9 continue
Wow.
to be as planned.
We're plane spotting all right.
Descend and maintain 6,000 feet.
Oh, this is a
Bombardier
great
1
spot right
Foxtrot
here.
X-ray.
Try and just, if we can back up a tad. 3, okay. That should be good. Alright, we're just gonna let her sit. Just gonna let her sit for a minute here. There we go. Perfect. Nothing else coming off to my right yet.
Bombardier 1
Gonna put her down
Foxtrot
an
X-ray
inch.
descent and maintain 5,000 feet.
Oh, what's the A380 doing? It's like it's kind of going all over the place here. Who knows what it's doing? This is crazy.
Descend and maintain 5,000 feet.
We got another
Bombardier
plane
1
coming in our right.
Foxtrot X-ray.
I don't know what plane it is,
Delta
but
773 heavy descent
we will
and
see
maintain
in
4,000 feet.
just a second here. Guys, look at this thing. Oh, this is gonna be good.
Descend and maintain
This is
4,000
gonna be
feet.
really good.
Delta 773 heavy.
Yeah, let's
Delta
get a
773 heavy. You are 1.4 miles east of Los Angeles.
let's get a
Contact
shot of
Los
that.
Angeles Tower on 120.905 when inbound on the approach. Bombardier 1 Foxtrot X-ray descent and maintain 4,000 feet. Tower on 120.905.
Yep, there it is. Flying up, Sun Country coming in.
773 heavy. Descend and maintain 4,000 feet. Bombardier 1 Foxtrot X-ray. Bombardier 1 Foxtrot X-ray traffic is 11 o'clock 4 miles at 2,900 feet Boeing. Report them in sight. SkyWest 4814 contact
Wow.
Los Angeles Center on 125.8. Good day. Bombardier 1 Foxtrot X-ray, you are 16 miles east of Los Angeles. Contact
guys.
Los Angeles Tower on 120.905.
My A380's taking off here.
125.8 SkyWest 4814. Tower on 120.905.
We're gonna follow this
Bombardier
thing.
1 Foxtrot X-ray.
Oh no, we gotta get up more. Here goes the A380. We're gonna try and follow this thing. That's a fail. Oh my god. Alright. Actually, it might look cooler from up top anyways.
SoCal departure Southwest 324 is passing 900 feet, climbing 7,000 feet. Southwest 324 SoCal departure altimeter 29.902. Continue to freeze as planned. Southwest 324 climb to maintain 7,400 feet.
Lost. We have lost the phone.
Climb and maintain 7,400 feet. Southwest 324. Southwest 324 traffic is 10
Just
o'clock 2 miles at 2,400 feet Airbus. Report them in sight.
We're getting buckled back in here.
SoCal departure Emirates 37 Victor Heavy is passing 3,000 feet, climbing 12,000 feet.
Alright, more traffic coming in here.
Emirates 37
Let's
Victor Heavy SoCal departure altimeter
get a little bit lower.
29.902. Continue to Echo Hotel Foxtrot as planned. Southwest
anything else coming to
324
take
has
off?
the Airbus in sight.
Nothing yet. Spirit going around here. We might be too close, so they're all going around. We're gonna get over to the right a little bit. Delta's taking off. Come on. There we go. Go a little bit more. Alright, here comes another one.
Southwest 324 traffic is 5 o'clock 4 miles at 100 feet Boeing. Report them in sight.
Southwest is also pushing back off my right side. Got a plane
Southwest
coming in here.
324 has a Boeing in sight. SoCal departure United 1219er is at 1,200 feet, climbing 6,000 feet.
Delta 767 coming in.
1219er SoCal departure altimeter 29.902. Continue to Dinty as planned.
There's probably another one coming right after it. Gonna fight some Captain Alex. Thanks for watching, everybody. Got Delta just below us here as well.
Delta 381 heavy traffic.
Yeah, it's really a hit or miss.
At 500 feet Boeing.
It's really a hit or miss what comes in. Gotta be patient and wait and see what.
Delta Tree 81 Heavy
What
has a
lands?
Boeing in sight.
Got a Boeing in sight. Okay, well, Must be coming back for our landing here. We're about to find out.
SoCal approach Delta 773 Heavy is
I think I see it. If this is a 767 again, then we're gonna get closer.
Heavy, you are 3 miles west.
We get a nice view of this thing.
Climb and maintain 5,000 feet. Expect ILS runway 24 right approach via LIVDN transition. Cleared to LIVDN. United 1745 climb and maintain
Here it
flight
comes.
level 190. Delta 773 Heavy climb and maintain 12,000 feet. Climb
got a-
and maintain flight level
got a big boy coming in here.
United 1745. Climb and maintain 12,000 feet. Expect ILS runway 24 right
Jesus.
approach via LIVDN transition. Clear to LIVDN
67
Delta
again.
773 Heavy. United
going
1745
around.
contact Los Angeles Center on 132.85.
Oh, little guy.
Good day.
Little guy.
Delta 773 heavy traffic is 10 o'clock 4 miles at 400 feet. Report them in sight. Going to
Alright, guys,
132.85.
let's head over this way. You know what?
United
If I move over here,
1745.
another big one's just gonna take off or land, so.
Delta 773 heavy
I don't think
traffic in
anything
sight.
big's coming in over here, though. Nothing ever comes on 25 right. I mean, unless it's like a giant United plane. Wait a minute. Sorry, guys. I think there's a 747 taking off over here. No way. It's like good timing or what? Oh my lord. Hey guys, I was wrong. There's like a...
Emirates Tree 7 Victor heavy contact Los Angeles Center on 125.8. Good day.
This is crazy, guys.
125.8 for Emirates Tree 7 Victor heavy.
It is popping, I guess, over here. I was wrong. Yep, it is. For sure. It is popping. Got JetBlue. I want to make like a really cool spotting video here. Where everything's just taking off and landing. I don't know. Leave the other side for a little bit. Maybe something cool will come. So that's all I gotta say. Lufthansa on the right here.
Delta 773 heavy contact Los Angeles Center on 132.85.
Yep. Oh, looks like an A350 to
Good
me.
day. SoCal approach Delta 871 is passing 10,000 feet, descending 8,000 feet. Delta 871 SoCal approach altimeter 29.92. Continue to DYMMO as planned. 132.85 for Delta 773 heavy. Delta 871 descend and maintain 7,000 feet. SoCal approach Volaris Niner 248,000 feet. Volaris Niner 24 descend and maintain 7,000 feet. Delta 381 heavy, you're leaving my airspace radar service. Terminated squawk 1200. Frequency change approved.
SoCal approach Delta Tree 81 Heavy is type 2 miles east of Los Angeles, 600 feet. Request clearance to transition Bravo airspace.
Alright, we're getting a nice shot of this.
Delta 381 heavy SoCal approach. Squawk 004 tree.
There we go.
Squawk 004 Tree, Delta Tree 81 Heavy.
Going to 132.85 southwest 324. Delta 871
yeah.
Descend and maintain 5,000 feet, Delta 871. Polaris 924, descend and maintain 6,300 feet. Descend and maintain 6,300 feet, Polaris 924.
Wait for this
United
guy to take off
121
here.
under contact, Los Angeles Center on 135.5. Good day.
Come on, Lufthansa. I need to move over a little bit. Trigger it.
135.5, United 1219er. Polaris 924, descend and maintain 5,000 feet.
Mr. Plane. A350 is just sitting here. I'm sure it probably thinks I'm landing or
Descend and
something.
maintain 5,000 feet, Polaris 924.
Should keep going.
Delta 871 traffic is 9 o'clock, 4 miles at 6,400 feet Airbus.
Here.
Report them in sight. Polaris 924 traffic is 1 o'clock, 4 miles at 6,300 feet Airbus. Report them in sight.
I don't know what happened with that there. Whoa! We got United here. Oh, the wind actually blew us. See that?
Polaris 924 traffic in sight.
We got planes everywhere here, guys.
Delta 871 descend and maintain 3,600 feet.
Alright, suppose I've been at this for a while now. We should probably head back over towards our landing pad here.
Descend and
Not much
maintain
going on. Well, there's a lot going
3,600
on,
feet,
but
Delta 871.
we're not
Delta
getting too many
871
of
have the Airbus in sight.
much of the traffic. I have to be out here for a while.
Polaris
In order to get,
924
like,
descend
more
and
of the
maintain
planes.
3,600 feet.
We'll head back over here for a minute.
Descend and maintain 3,600 feet, Polaris 924.
Alright guys, well, I'm Flight Sim Captain Alex. Thanks for watching again today. Please subscribe for more. Give a like if you guys enjoyed the video. Also, follow for more on Instagram and TikTok at Flight Sim Captain Alex. Thank you guys for watching my video again today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.